Good with y'all boys, we're back. You might be asking yourself some questions like, where have I been? Stuff like that. Well, nowhere. My car has been places though. Let me show you guys. So, we got some things done. Some stuff is new, some isn't. Decided to go ahead and get some skirts. So we got some side skirts installed on this car. So it was at the body shop, so I had to put the stocks back on. It doesn't have any side markers. I'll get to that in a minute. We're gonna install some, and it's looking straight once again. The fenders weren't really matching up. The hood wasn't matching up, but now it is, so I guess that's good. I did some like minor things. I fixed some paint chipping that was going on right here. This lip got refinished once again. The only thing that I'm worried about is right here, like when I have to wash my car, how it's gonna be looking like. But other than that, I think it's fine right now. There should be some sort of weather stripping, I guess. Might throw a time lapse of me cleaning it. There's some sort of like sticky stuff right there. I need to clean that up. And put the T's back. Looks like we should be back in order. I'm just gonna give this a quick detail and install some side markers. Okay, so we need 19 and a 21. The 19 is just to remove these, I think. I think this is a 19. Oh gosh. This one has good tread lift. I'm surprised. Actually, they were good. What the? You guys have been asking what kind of wheel lug nuts do I run. It's these Kicks. There's some Japanese spec lug nuts. They have their own lock. They have their own locking mechanism, so whenever someone is like messing with your car, you know, because it only takes a special lock to undo these wheels. Its own little key. These are pretty cool. I recommend these. No ending the summer right now in Texas. It's so hot. This one was looking still okay, not bad. It's about to give out on the camera actually, never mind. Yeah, it's looking kind of terrible actually. Never mind. Air bulbs right here, so we have that going for ourselves. The most common thing that falls off on these FR-S side markers has to be this A clip. Now this clip is it's gonna fall. It doesn't matter what kind of brand, or even if you go with OEM Toyota, this always seems to go off. I recommend for you guys to invest in probably these clips or buying some more side markers, because honestly, if you run side markers still in 2023, you're gonna need it, man. You never know, these people stop making them and they get discontinued. All sorts of things happen. Like the people that I bought my original smoke side markers from, they don't sell these because manufacturer discontinued them. The more you know. We're gonna install these. These are so easy to install. So all you gotta do is grab this little harness, put your LED in it in the middle, and stick it in there. I know people say you're not supposed to touch LEDs because the electronics give out, but in my case, I just don't care anymore. If they go out, they go out. I have like 20 more of these bulbs. I bought them in bulk, so I'm not really too worried about it. There we go. Let's test it out. I don't think the camera could pick it up, or if it did, it is on. Let's go on to the other side. Oh man, do I miss this car. Man, I was supposed to take this car to Subi Fest. I didn't get to. I did make a highlight video, but I just didn't feel like uploading it. It was too short. I didn't see that many cars. So if I do end up posting it, it might be next week. I gotta finish editing some of the parts of the video. But anyways, I have to go deal with some business. I think I'm gonna get some Instagram reel content today. And you guys come along with me. We have to make the comeback on Instagram because, dude, that's been so dry for the past 4 weeks. I think I lost my creative streak on there. So yeah, I need to hop back on TikTok too. I don't have my TikTok set up for my car. It's just like a random TikTok. Yeah, get on that. That's the wave. I wonder how this car looks at night. Sheesh. Can't get a good side view. I don't know. So it's raining now. Well, it started to rain. So I don't know, man. I think I might not have time to shoot a reel today, bro. It's just not gonna end up happening today. Anyways, I took a reel here at Target, so I think I'm gonna upload that on my Instagram. I don't know yet. You guys tune in. I added side skirt and did the whole front end on the car, and it looks good now. Finally, it's been a minute, but this is my daily. This is what I've been conflicting with, you know. This is my daily car, and I'm out here doing all this stuff to it, which is kind of insane, but at the same time, not really. You gotta refresh your car, you know. Damn, shorty over there, she has a Mercedes. What the? Okay. They turn around. They turn around and look at me. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna go get some food. I think I might go get some Chipotle, dude. I'm hungry. This sucks. I just washed my car, and my luck is impeccable sometimes. I haven't turned on the AC due to, like, for the video's sake, because I don't want to see the fan blowing like crazy. But right now, I think cosmetically, I think I might be done with this car. I think so, at least. We have the full, I'd say, TRD package. The side markers, we got that installed yesterday. I think I might just call it a day for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Right now, I'm just driving to go get some food. Honestly, that's all you could do. When it's about to rain, I don't want to risk, you know, some people are, you know, terrible drivers out there, man. I don't want to get caught something wild. You never know what could happen. Like, people just don't know how to drive sometimes, dude. It's crazy. When you start being careful about potholes and all sorts of things, man. Next thing I'm going to probably do is do a sound system, and I might get rid of this Android tablet. Yeah, the next thing has to be a sound system, because this Android tablet that I have. But my main gripe with this is that the Apple CarPlay worked, and I couldn't find another adapter to get the CarPlay working. And the people that I bought the unit from originally, they aren't really responding to my emails. So, you know, I'm out of luck. I can't find the adapter, so we're gonna have to find another head unit. If you have any suggestions for me, what looks OEM plus and doesn't look like two, or if it doesn't look like it's meant to be there, I don't want it to have that effect on my car. I want it to look good. So yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of this video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I'm gonna try to upload a little bit more, just updates if I don't. But if you do want to, you know, check up on my build and what we're doing with it, follow me on Instagram at Josh FR-S. Follow me over there. We are close to, I think, 550 followers. It's not much, but, you know, we do what we can out there. I'm trying to get sponsored, dude. I'm trying to get a supercharger or a turbo kit installed. Come on, guys, someone hit me up. Anyway, yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go get something to eat, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys.